Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. Now, you know I'm a huge Nomad fan. I have a bunch of their products and I just got 2 new products right here. So I'm really excited. Yeah, I have their rugged case for the AirPods Pro. Now, me and my wife don't have cases for our AirPod Pros because I was waiting for this one to come out. So yeah, and I have their Passport wallet as well. Now, my wife and I don't have Passport wallets either, so this is gonna work out well. And both of these are genuine leather from the Horween Leather Company in Chicago. Now, Horween, if you don't know, they've been doing leather since 1905. Like, that's crazy, that's nuts. The only issue I see is I'm gonna have to buy another AirPods Pro case and another Passport wallet because my wife is already getting jealous once these arrived. Now she's saying she wants them as well. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in. We're gonna zoom in, get a closer look, and let's check them out. Layers. All right, let's go ahead and look at the Passport wallet. Now, this is the modern edition one, and this retails for $59.99 on Nomad's website that you see on the screen right there. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's open it up. Ooh, okay. That is one thing I do love about Nomad is their presentation, the packaging. It's all about presentation, right? Now it comes in this nice case. Ooh, wow, okay. Yeah, I'm loving the rich brown leather here. Here's the back side of that. Now open that up and you can see the spine. Okay, now let's go ahead and open the inside. And let me bring this in a little closer so you can get a better look at it. But I like how it has slots for credit cards, identification, whatever you want to put here, your Starbucks rewards card. And yeah, you can go ahead and put your passport in on the right-hand side, but let's come in closer. Okay, so here I am a little closer, and yeah, you could see the stamp here of the Horween Leather Company. It says Nomad, and yeah, you could put money there, credit cards, identification, along with sliding in your passport to the right here. Now, this feels like a nice, almost like a felt material, but I really love the dark, rich color of their brown. Now, on my wrist right here, on my Apple Watch Series 5, I have a Hermes band, but as you could see, I do like the darker, more richer, chocolatey brown of Nomad's products. It makes me wish I didn't do the giveaway and give away the their watch band that I had, but wow, I'm loving this. It's lightweight, you can tell it's well built, sturdy, and not too bad, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the AirPods Pro case. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the rugged case for the AirPods Pro. Now, this case retails for $34.95. Okay, let's try to pop that out here. Ooh. And here we have it right here out of the box. And let me go ahead and bring this in closer. Okay, so here we are. We have it a little closer for you to see, and you could see that rich, darker Horween leather there, and it does come in 2 pieces. Now, don't worry, don't fret. Your AirPods Pro will still charge with this on, so no need to worry about taking the case off and on. It'll go ahead and charge right through it. Now, it does have a hole on the bottom in case you do want to plug it in, but of course, it'll wirelessly charge. And there is a hole in the front, as you could see there, right? That way you'll go ahead and see the LED indicator on your AirPods Pro case. And yeah, I'm loving this. Now it looks like they have a hole here for you to put a loop through in case you want to put on like a strap. So it seems like they kind of thought of everything. Now, you know Nomad's leather products with their Horween leather, the longer you have it, the more it'll kind of age and it will patina over time and give it that darker, richer look. So as you could see on the back of the box here, how they've demonstrated, this is day 1 and then this is day 100. Now that's a dark brown looking, and yeah, it does look nice. Kind of gives it a little unique, rugged look, you know? All right, now let me get my AirPods Pro and let me go ahead and get my passport, and let's put it in these items here. The Nomad Passport wallet. Now this is the modern edition. It's minimally treated. Vegetable tan leather is crafted to patina over time, ensuring it develops a look that is uniquely yours. The modern passport wallet has been purposefully designed to be as slim as possible. Modern passport wallet has the space to hold all of your travel essentials without adding bulk to your jacket or your bag. Now you guys know Nomad, they always use premium materials in all of their products. Now they source this leather from the renowned Horween Leather Company of Chicago, one of America's oldest tanneries. Over time, this raw vegetable tan leather develops a patina, creating a handsome, rich character unique just to you. With 4 card slots and quick access pocket for cash and documents, the modern passport wallet is a sleek way to carry your travel essentials. They designed the passport wallet to comfortably hold 8 cards, plus travel documents, and your passport. The Nomad's AirPods Pro rugged case. Now their cases for the AirPods Pro are designed in a 2-piece construction built with Horween leather. This case keeps your AirPods Pro slim and provides additional style and adds drop and scratch protection. Now it is available in 2 colors. I have the brown here. Now the rugged construction designed to tightly fit the AirPods Pro with their 2-piece construction. Rugged case provides additional drop and scratch protection. Built with genuine Horween leather and interior microfiber, this case retains the compact nature of your AirPods Pro in style. Now in the front of the case, you guys, it isn't just a hole, they've actually integrated a light pipe. Yeah, it's crazy, right? They've integrated a subtle optical light pipe to allow the AirPods Pro LED charging indicator to shine through the rugged case. Now you'll wirelessly know when you're on low power or when it's charging. Now whether you have the AirPods Pro case, one of their leather watch bands, or an iPhone Pro case, since they're all made from the same leather from the same company, they all go together looking like one happy family. Okay, so I have my AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and put it in there, nice and snug. And as you can see, it still opens just fine, and you see the LED indicator on the front. Here's the back where the hinge is. Okay, now let's go ahead and put on the top piece. As you can see, it fits on there nice and snug. And yeah, I like it's very minimalistic. It protects it, but it's not thick, you know, because I like being lightweight when I'm traveling or when I'm taking stuff with me. All I have is just my phone and my wallet with me usually. And yeah, I like the way this looks, very minimalistic. So as you can see on the back there, the hinge isn't obstructed, so it could open and close very smoothly. You see the LED there, open, close. Pretty nice, right? I love this. It feels good, nice rich color, and it says Nomad at the top. All right, let me get my passport and put it in the wallet here. Okay, so here's the passport wallet. Now let me go ahead and put my passport in and let's give it a shot. Okay, get it in there nice and snug, and it goes in there like that, and then voila. Right? Now how does that look? Still plenty of room for all your other stuff right here. Now, is this not a great combo together or what? As you can see, these both look and feel great. I'm super happy with these, and yeah, like I said, the only problem is I'm gonna have to buy more. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the wireless charger here and see it light up. All right, for those of you with the new base station stand, like I have, you know, for your AirPods Pro, you have to turn it in this orientation in order for it to charge wirelessly. And as you can see, it's lit up there and it's charging just fine. And also it's indicated right there by the LED light on the front. You can see it's charging just fine with the case. So yeah, I absolutely love Nomad stuff. I'm a Nomad guy. You guys know me. All right, you guys, so that's it. Unboxed everything, put my stuff in it. You see everything's working fine. It's a beautiful, beautiful, rich leather, and it feels and looks awesome. It also does come in black, so totally up to you. Now they also have another wallet here. It's a little bit different, and it has one of those Bluetooth tile things on the inside. So in case you lose your passport wallet, you can go ahead and track it down, but that's on their website as well. So yeah, unboxed it. We're all done. All right, guys, laters.